My apologies about the basics of how a starter motor works. But that was more for Dylan's education purposes. And then I checked my video quality, it was horrible. So here we go. We have a GMC Terrain here, all right? And hold this light for me. So if I had a customer came in with an intermittent starting problem, meaning it doesn't crank, what I would be doing is starting down here and checking this. You can see there's a lot of corrosion on the wire from the starter solenoid to the starter motor. And then up here, how this works, ready, is this is your momentary switch. So some of them are plugged, some of them are a bolt-on style. This means momentary 12 volts applied. Then back here is battery voltage constant on the big lug. So big lug, little lug. The next one is once these two are energized by the 12 volt switch, the solenoid throws the current to the starter motor, and then the wheel the starter gear turns the flywheel or anything else. And it's actually grounded to the motor, and there is no ground wires on the starter. So I just wanted to clear that up a little bit for everybody because the video sucked. So your small wire is your trigger wire, your battery 12 volt constant is your big lug up here, and then this one supplies the energy from these two to the starter motor. Thanks for watching.
There's Rachel, she's back.
Rachel's back and she's better than before.
Hey, Rachel's back.